What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the Pokemon Go bypass and basically the most powerful jailbreak detection bypass that is currently available right now for jailbroken devices. This will work on Pokemon Go, Mario Kart, pretty much any application. This is the best jailbreak detection bypass. So normally you're able to download Liberty Light or Liberty or Jail Protect, which is one of these apps right here, and you can basically enable jailbreak detection bypass individually per app. Now on some of these apps, for example Pokemon Go, I have it enabled, but if we go over to Pokemon Go, try to open it, it still crashes. With this new method, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. Alright, so let's head over to Cydia. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and download this tweak called Snapback. It is on the Dynastic repo. I will leave a link down to that repo in the description where you can pick this tweak up. And what we're going to want to do is go ahead and open Snapback. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and tap on the plus button. It's going to ask you to enter a snapshot name. You can name it whatever you want, then hit OK. I have already done that. Here's my snapshot right there. After that, you're going to want to go ahead and hit this top original file system. Push jump to snapshot and push yes. Push OK. Now, make sure you go ahead and let this thing load. It may take up to 2 or 3 minutes in some cases. And I noticed that on A12 devices, sometimes this ring will not fully complete, will not fully close. So if you've been sitting there for about 5 minutes and nothing is happening, you can go ahead and hard reset your device by hitting the volume up, volume down, and holding the power button. That will hard reset your device and you should be okay. But don't do it any sooner. Give it at least a good 5 minutes. Now on A11 devices and below, I believe the ring closes and the screen will either turn black or the app will force close. And if that happens, then do the same thing. Go ahead and hard reset the device. For me, it's been working properly, and it'll have a pop-up screen that says your device will now reboot. Then my screen turns black and the device does reboot. So there is a couple different end screens that you may see. Just go ahead and let the application do its thing. So it seems like my device has just went to the black screen, or actually it seems like my device has just force closed the app with the black screen and I am stuck. So now I am going to go ahead and hard reset the device. Alright, let the device boot up. Once your device has fully rebooted, you will see that you no longer have any of your tweaks, you no longer have Cydia or anything. It's as if you never jailbroke in the first place. If you open up Mario Kart, it will load. If you open up Pokemon Go, it will also load. Any apps that have a jailbreak detection system will now load because technically you are not jailbroken, so everything will work as normal. So if you are done playing your Mario Kart or Pokemon Go or whatever you're using this for, and you want to get back to your jailbroken state with all of your tweaks, all you need to do is go back over to Uncover, run the jailbreak as normal, now that your device has been re-jailbroken, you'll see that Cydia has appeared. Go ahead and open up Cydia. Go ahead and do the upgrade of the essential packages. All right, open up Cydia again. Go ahead and search for Snapback. Install it. Now navigate over to Snapback, open it up. All right, real quick, before you push on this, make sure your battery is charged above 50%. Otherwise, it will not allow you to restore. So, continuing, we're going to go ahead and hit that. Push jump to snapshot. Push yes. Push OK. Now, once again, let it do its thing. Let it go ahead and fully load. Do not turn off the device. Do not lock the screen. Just follow the instructions. Let it sit there, and it will restore all of your tweaks as if you never unjailbroke in the first place. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. All right, it looks like it's completed. It force closed the app, so I'm going to go ahead and hard reboot the device. All right, now I'm fully rebooted. We'll go ahead and open up Uncover. And this time when we hit jailbreak and when the device resprings, all of our tweaks will be re-enabled as if we were never unjailbroken in the first place. All right, now we're back in. You can see that all of my tweaks are back. If we go over to my settings, you can see that I have all my tweaks back. Noctis is enabled as if nothing ever was unjailbroken. And that's how you guys can get around Pokemon Go and all these other difficult apps that have a strong jailbreak detection system. Anyways, guys, that's the video. If you like the video, smack that like button. If you love the video, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.